Okay, guys, we had a request on the six terms that's going to be on the test for math. As you can see, we got bases, exponents, constants, like terms, variables, and coefficients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so bases. So what a base is, it's a there's two kind of general mathematic terms. One of them is geometric, and this is not got anything to do with shape, so it's not that, okay? So what a base is, it is a number that's raised to a power, okay? So technically, a lot of these are bases, but what you want to see is like, what we're kind of considering right now is something like 5 squared. You see, the 5 is your base, 2 is your exponents. So your base in this instance is 5, okay? So it's a number that is raised to a power. Okay, that's your base, which is your regular number that is just raised to a power there, okay? All right, so exponents, okay? We don't put the exponents, everything is kind of to the first power. We don't put those. That's 2x to the first power, 6x to the first power, 5 squared, 17 to the first power. So right now what we're considering is just the exponent is 2. There's your exponent right there, which is 2. Okay. Constants, a number. Okay. Now we had some discussions about this. We don't know what this is going to be because it could vary. Okay. So 2x depends on what x is. Same thing with 6x. Now this variable, this constant, 5 squared. How much is 5 squared? Well, it's 25. So we're going to count that as a constant right now. 5 squared is always going to be 5 squared, which is always going to be 25. Also, 17 is always going to be 17. Okay? All right, like terms. It's anything that you can combine, guys. Okay, so 2x and 6x are like terms. Also, you can combine those. Also, we can combine the 5 squared and 17. Okay, so notice I put a colon because they're not the same as this one. It's like a different set. So 5 squared and 17 are like terms because we can combine 25 and 17. 25 plus 17, we know it's 42, so we can combine those. They're constants, okay? All right, next is the variables. Okay, that's an S. It's just a poorly constructed S. Okay? Boom, boom, no, no. So variables, and it doesn't matter if you put both of them or just one of them. They're both the same. Both of your variables is X. What I've been doing at the beginning with, anyways, is kind of like go ahead and put in both of them so you'll know there's two terms, which, you know. All right, coefficients. A coefficient is a numerical part of an algebraic term, okay? So here, this is not algebraic, that's numeric. That's not algebraic, that's numeric, okay? Algebraic. So the coefficient of this term is 2, okay? The coefficient of this algebraic term is 6, okay? So, make sure you're studying these. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are going to be on your test when we come back. Either I may do a review day, I may not do, I don't know. So you need to know these terms by Monday, okay? We'll have something similar when we have the test on order of operations, algebraic expressions, and this here kind of goes along with your algebraic expressions part, okay? All right, so make sure that you're studying these, you know these. Hope this explains anything. If not, let me know. I'll do what I need to go to help you guys out, okay? See you guys Monday.